Hello traders, it's time for the summary of the day. It's Wednesday the 25th of February and we just finished our live trading sessions. Today I had two positions opened and I've got one take profit and one stop loss. But in total I'm still in profit of $1,597. So today wasn't too bad. It could be better, of course, but anyway, we are moving forward. So account is growing every single day. So I want to go through the trades, what I did today, and also I will show you some trades from Tomek and from Pavel. So in the morning, the first trade of the day, it was USDJPY and the profit of $5,000. Guys, let me just show you this on trading view. The USDJPY. The trade was open in the morning. The pending order was set. It was set over here because there was nice reaction of buyers, some imbalance left behind, and also there was some target from all-in ASAP strategy. Okay, so that was my main target, but I've got some more profit because my take profit was a little bit higher. So after the price breaking through this trend line, you can see that there was small imbalance. So I set pending order right in this place. Trade was activated and you can see the price went straight up. So the trade worked perfectly, nice profit, a nice start of the day. But on another session, it was a little bit different because I've opened the trade on Euro USD and I've got loss of $3,100. Different strategy used. Everything was looking good, but sometimes even the best setup can go opposite direction. And that's what's exactly happened right here. Anyway, I finished day with a profit of $1,597. But also I want to show you Tomek trades and Pavel. You can see Pavel, he had a plan on USDJPY in the morning. I think the price went straight up, so the price didn't get to that pullback zone. Next one, USDJPY, plan from Tomek, entry, and you can see on trading view USDJPY, Tomek had a plan to break through this support resistance zone. From higher time frame, we look at 1 hour time frame, you can see the price stopped at the top of rotation channel. So this is 1 hour time frame, very nice rotation channel, and the price stopped here. So Tomek had a plan for USDJPY. After the breaking through this support resistance zone, he was waiting for the retest, and you can see we had retest right here, nice candle. So there was a chance to enter the position, probably the trade. Let's have a look. This is one with the stop loss above this candle, nearly 1 to 2 is done. They didn't get to full take profit yet, but it's also looking good. So the plan was great on USDJPY. Next one, we can see this is Euro USD. Yeah, that was my plan. I've entered the trade after the retest basically because the price retested this resistance line and everything was good. The micro rotation was good, the pullback zone, some kind of rotation channel. Everything was okay, so I entered the trade and unfortunately I hit stop loss, but sometimes it happens, guys, as you know. So we are not trying to hide anything. I'm showing you my profits and also I'm showing you my stop losses. So everything is transparent, okay? Next trade, that was on Euro USD. Yeah, that was the plan. You can see nice rotation channel. The price went up, bearish rotation. We had some pullback and nice reaction, but unfortunately the price went down a little bit and then it went straight up. This trade USDJPY, that was the morning trade. You can see the trade was open right in this place. Also, I've sent the message on our Discord channel because we got special channel where we can send messages about the trades. So I've sent that trade in the morning before I open it. That I'm gonna set pending order in this place, and you can see perfect plan. The price just go down, the trade was open and we went straight up. Very good trade, quick profit and nice profit, I can say. What we got here, USD CHF, the plan was to retest this support resistance zone. The trade was looking good, but I think they went straight up, so we couldn't open this trade. Let me just have a look at USDCHF. USDCHF, yeah, there was no pullback, so they went straight up, strong impulse, so we couldn't use this plan, but it was good anyway. So yeah, we done few trades today. We were waiting also for Nasdaq to open the trade on Nasdaq, but price on Nasdaq just explode to the sky, I can say. You can see strong impulse, so we couldn't enter the trade, but you know, we cannot open the trade every single time. We are just waiting for the perfect conditions. If everything is working, we can open the trade, and we are not opening too many trades, 1, 2, sometimes 3 trades a day, and that's it. Anyway, this week is pretty good, I can say, because we got nice profits this week. Today, $1,500. Monday was pretty good. Tuesday was pretty good. Yesterday, small loss. Today, we got some profits. So, guys, we got 2 more days to make nice profits to end up the week like a pro. Since January, I made on this account for live trading sessions already more than $50,000. Let me just show you $50,000. Okay, let's have a look. Let's go back. You can see $50,000 and 763. It's not updated. It will change a little bit, but I made $50,000 since the 12th of January. So in around 1 month and a half. Pretty good result. From next week, guys, I'm gonna increase risk, so we're gonna make some more profits from March. If you like to join our live trading sessions, you can do that. We are live on YouTube every single day from Monday to Friday at 9 a.m. So you can join us. Just don't forget to subscribe the channel so you won't miss any live session. That's it for today. I'm out. I'm not trading anymore, so I'm gonna relax now, and I will see you guys tomorrow morning at 9 a.m. Thank you for today, and I will see you tomorrow, guys. Take care.